Hey guys, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to walk you through one of my fresh boats I just took in on brokerage. This is a 2021 Yamaha 275 SD. Sold this boat brand new, always used on a freshwater lake here in upstate South Carolina. Comes with the trailer it's sitting on. Beautiful boat, guys. This is called the, I believe this was called the Cherry color. It's a dark red with a black rub rail, chrome insert. All pop-up cleats. You've got your docking lights integrated on the side, nav light up front. Boat's in wonderful shape, guys. It is a lift-kept boat. Very little, did not trailer. Taking a look at the back, you'll see your traditional Yamaha swim deck. This boat does have the seat/table inserts, and they are on board in storage. Nice C-deck accents throughout. Plenty of cup holders. Mount for a table. Stereo controls. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, welcome aboard the Yamaha 275 SD. Starting at the bow, you'll see plenty of room to stretch out. Cup holders and speakers built into the side. Nice step up to your anchor locker. Storage underneath all your seats. Bow filler cushions to make this a full enclosure are stored down below, so they are on board. You'll see an additional table mount up front. Walk-through windshield. Side-by-side captain's chairs. Nice L-shaped seating here in the cockpit with storage underneath your seats. Little bar access for putting out food and a little bit of storage. Has a nice full-size head on board. This is a porta potty. Also makes for additional storage. Good area to change clothes as well. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see this is the SD with your shifters built in. Yamaha Connect screen. This boat only has approximately 26 hours. Digital throttles, push button starts, easy access, more integrated buttons. Guys, the boat is in great shape. Upholstery's in nice shape. Shows very well. Comes with the cover that's pictured as well. For more information, please give me a call on my cell at 864-350-0145, or give us a call at our Greenville MarineMax. Ask for Thomas Tallon. I'd be glad to go over the details. This boat is not kept on site, so appointments will need to be made to see it. Please reach out for details. Thank you and have a great day.